Hi students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss some problems in the formula, section formula. Okay, question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of 3 minus 2 5 and 3 4 2 in the ratio 2:1 internally. Solution: let the given points are capital A 3 minus 2 5 and capital B 3 4 2. Given the ratio m:2n is equal to 2:1, given that it is internally, divides AB in the ratio 2:1 internally. Now required point, let P divides AB in the ratio 2:1 internally, then the coordinates of capital P are given by P, that is, we know that it is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. If it is externally, then we use the formula mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. Here it will be minus mz2 minus plus nz1 by m plus n. Given points are capital A, let us take the first point as A, the second as B. B is 3 4 2 and the ratio is m:2n is equal to 2:1. Let it be x1 y1 z1 and the second point is x2 y2 z2. Then the coordinate of P is given by mx2. M is 2 into the x2 is 3, 2 into 3 plus n is 1 into 3 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 1. Next my2, 2 into 4 plus n is 1, 1 into y1 is minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Next m is 2, z2 is 2 plus 1 into z1 is 5 by m plus n, which is equal to 6 plus 3 by 3 and 8 minus 2 by 3. Finally, it is 2 to the 4 plus 5 by 3, which is equal to 3 plus 6, 9 by 3 is 3, 2 and 3. Required point is 3 2 3. Okay. Next question number 2. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of 3 minus 2, same question we take, 3 minus 2 5 and 3 4 5, 3 4 2 in the ratio 2:1 externally. Given points, let it be capital A, that is 3 minus 2 5 and B is 3 4 2 and m:2n is equal to 2:1 externally. Let P divides AB in the ratio 2:1 externally. Then the coordinate of P are given by capital P is mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n, mz2 minus nz1 by m minus n. That is equal to m is 2. 2 into x2 is, here it is x1, y1, z1. Let it be x2, y2, z2. Then 2 into 3 minus 1 into 3 divided by 2 minus 1. Then y is m by 2. M is 2. 2 into 4 minus 1 into minus 2 by 2 minus 1. Finally, m, that is 2 into 2 minus 1 into 5 by 2 minus 1. We get 2 3s are 6 minus 3, that is 3 by 1, which is equal to 3. And the second is 2 4s are 8 minus 2, 8 plus 2, that is 10. 10 by 1 is 10. The third term is 2 to the 4, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. The required point is 3, 10 and minus 1. Now we are going to find the ratio in which a line segment joining 2 points is divided by one of the 3 planes, that is xy, yz, zx, one of the 3 planes. You know that any point on x-axis, y-axis, if there are 3 axes, you have to know that point on x-axis, let it be x-axis, y-axis and the x, y, z. You have to know that any point on x-axis, of the form x0, 0, any point on y-axis is of the form 0, y, 0, any point on z-axis is of the form 0, 0, z. Okay. Then these 3 lines, that is x-axis, y-axis, the x-axis and y-axis makes a plane. X-axis and y-axis together forms a plane known as xy plane. It is xy plane. X and y axis together makes a plane known as xy plane. It is x axis, y axis and z axis. XZ plane, the plane which is formed by x and z, which is known as XZ plane. This plane is known as XZ plane. And x axis, y axis and z axis. YZ plane is the plane. This is YZ plane. YZ plane. Okay. Any point on XY plane is of the form it will be of the form x, y and 0. Any point on YZ plane is of the form x will be 0 and YZ. Any point on XY, YZ, ZX plane, that is XZ plane, is of the form x, 0 and z. What about coordinate of origin? Coordinate of origin is always equal to 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now we discuss one more problem in our next module. Okay. Thank you all.